Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a stylish yet comfortable pair of loafers that have been making waves in the footwear scene. We're talking about the Amazon Essentials Women's Loafer Flat. If you're on the hunt for the best black loafers for women, look no further. These might just be your perfect match. Let's kick things off with an overview. These loafers are designed to blend comfort with classic style. They feature a soft pointed toe and a modern design that's both versatile and chic. The upper is made from faux kid suede, giving them a luxurious look without the hefty price tag. And inside, you'll find a padded insole with high-quality memory foam, ensuring your feet stay happy all day long. The padded insole and heel pillow provide exceptional comfort, making them perfect for long days on your feet. Crafted from high-quality faux kid suede, these loafers offer durability and a premium feel. With a soft pointed toe and mock seam detail, they strike the perfect balance between casual and professional. So, why should you consider adding these to your wardrobe? Whether you're heading to the office, running errands, or meeting friends for brunch, these loafers effortlessly complement any outfit. They're available in regular and wide widths, catering to different foot shapes and sizes. Plus, the pull-on style means no fussing with laces or buckles, just slip them on and you're ready to go. Now, let's briefly compare them with similar options on the market. While there are plenty of loafers out there, few offer the same level of comfort and style at such an affordable price point. Brands like Lucky Brand and MUSSHOE may offer alternatives, but Amazon Essentials stands out for its commitment to quality and value. What are people saying about these loafers? Well, they've garnered praise for their comfort and stylish design. Many customers appreciate the fit, especially those with wider feet who find them accommodating without sacrificing style. However, keep in mind that sizing can vary, so it's always a good idea to check the size chart before ordering. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a pair of black loafers that blend comfort, style, and affordability, the Amazon Essentials Women's Loafer Flat should definitely be on your radar. Whether you're dressing up for work or keeping it casual on the weekends, these loafers are a versatile addition to any wardrobe. If you've tried these loafers yourself or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.